So let us define a function public string. It is going to return a string. Let us name it as decode the Unicode. It takes in a string input. And we're going to use pattern class. I'm going to say pattern equal to pattern.compile. So it is going to check for /u, /u, and then 0 to 9 numbers, A to F, small case, and A to F, and all together is going to be of length 4. Sorry, the hexadecimal part is going to be length of 4. So for example, you can see /u0061, this is A, lowercase a in Unicode. So 0061 is the hexadecimal, and /u says it is the Unicode format. So we are saying, we're using the pattern class and saying this is the pattern that we want to match for our input. If we see this pattern, that means we have a Unicode group of sequences of words. And then we're going to use a matcher equal to matcher.pattern. We're going to supply the input. We're saying put the given input into this constructor of the matcher.pattern so that it can compare whether the input aligns with the Unicode representation. And then we're going to use a output string. We're going to declare an output string equal to new string builder. So we're going to say string builder new string builder. As you can see, we're using string builder instead of saying string buffer because string builder is not synchronized for threads, and string buffer is synchronized for threads. Means at any point in time there is not going to be a race condition to access the object, but in string builder it is not thread safe because there is a lot of string operations. So architecturally, design wise, if we are using the decode the Unicode function, we want this to be outside any threaded logic, any piece of code that has a synchronization or multi-threading that is involved. We want to isolate this outside. So that's why I'm using string builder. And as you can see in the next lines of code, there's a lot of string operations that's going to happen. So it's safe. Even performance wise, it is better to put this piece of code where only single threads can access and there is no concept of multi-threading. We are coupling with this piece of code. So that is one insight that we want to keep in.